Weather now with Jenny Woodward, and another wet day, Jenny.
Yes, Jess, we've had a lot of storm activity. Hello everyone. We've seen some very heavy rain rates in the southeast, 50 to 60 millimetres in just an hour on the Gold Coast hinterland. Mount Tamborine's had 72 millimetres today, and Highfields had 49 millimetres, and that was just in an hour too. Now, new warnings have popped up over the Downs just in the last hour or so, and we have another warning which was up in the northwest, but that's now been cancelled. To our stunning photos, and Jeff was treated to this spectacular display on his walk to work in Barcaldine this morning, while Trish watched the storm clouds gather over the Mary Valley this afternoon. And earlier in the week, Rowan was rewarded with this fabulous view after hiking to Mount Cordeo out on the main range. Well, temperatures a little bit below average under the cloud cover today in the southeast, just 24 in Applethorpe this afternoon, and also the same story up at Burketown, 32 there today, but still above average in the west, 41 at Bolera Gas. But look at the minimum, 14 this morning in Kingaroy. Perhaps autumn is not too far away. A sunny start to the day in the city. Temperatures got to 29 degrees just after 11 a.m, but then the cloud and the rain moved in, but it's still quite warm, 24 degrees. Onto the satellite, and here's ex-tropical cyclone Lincoln. It's near the WA Northern Territory border, and you can see there's a lot of cloud extending out over the east and over Queensland. It's expected to continue moving west and eventually moved offshore and redevelop into a cyclone, and then curve back to cross the coast later in the weekend. And we've got an upper trough system moving over southeast Queensland, which has fired up the storm activity. Tomorrow, Perth's heading for 39 degrees, 35 for Adelaide, but there'll be showers in Canberra and some storms are expected in Sydney. Onto the chart, and further scattered showers and storms persisting in the tropics, even though the monsoon has eased. Plenty of showers about the coastal fringe too, especially in the southeast and also on the tropical coast. Rolling Stone had 77 millimetres last night, and the upper trough that brought the rain to the southeast will head offshore tomorrow. So although it will remain unsettled, we'll still have some showers and storms about. And there's another system on later in the week, more storms expected in the southeast on the weekend. Let's check forecasts now, and showers and storms right across the north, 30 for Mareeba, 32 in Cairns. A sunny start for the southwest of the state, but some cloud further east, and we've got showers and storms expected, particularly around the Carnarvons, 34 for Roma. Showers and storms about the southeast too, 26 in Toowoomba, 29 for Kingaroy, and showers and the chance of a storm for the city, but only very light falls expected, 21 to 29 degrees in the city. Ipswich is heading for 31. Seas under a metre on the bay with east-southeasterlies below 10 knots, and conditions are going to remain much the same for the week ahead, unsettled with the chance of some showers and storms. But Jess, we could see some bigger totals on Saturday.
Okay, a wet weekend ahead maybe. Jenny, thank you. That is ABC News to the moment. Time for 7:30. Good night.
Good night.